The numbers are staggering and grim. British Columbia's overdose crisis is at an all-time high.
Regardless of background, financial position, religion, gender, everyone is equally affected by it.
Organizations say the latest overdose numbers are devastating and heartbreaking.
It's discouraging, to be honest with you. We've got more people on the ground right now. There's so much in terms of service. We're working as hard as we can, but there's a toxic drug supply, and the number of deaths is just overwhelming.
851 people died between January and May of this year. That's more than any other year during the same period, surpassing the numbers from 4 years ago. 160 people died this past May, the second most recorded in the month following last year. Many saying the pandemic played a huge role in this spike, while others say there's more to it than that.
We're still criminalizing people year after year, and we're still calling drugs illegal, and it just seems like that needs to change for some of the efforts that we're doing.
Researchers who analyze drug trends and see firsthand what's on our streets and what people are buying says we on the island are living in one of the drug hotspots.
We're having 5 people die per day in this province. It's an emergency, but it just keeps going on, and it sometimes looks like it's not an emergency, I think, to most British Columbians.
Fentanyl overdoses have been the biggest concern, but now there's another drug complicating the crisis.
Benzodiazepines are within the opioid supply, and that's new since, well, about the time of the pandemic.
He says real change starts with decriminalizing drugs, being more accepting of recreational drug use, and creating safer supply options and more overdose prevention sites.